Hi.
Hi, I'm Oliver from Brompton Technology, and thank you for coming for ISE 2025. It's been an exciting show. It's the last day, so we had a lot of interesting talks about our new processing generation. Can I introduce
So you process a lot of LED huge displays in the world, right?
Yes. Oh yeah. We do the processing for the best looking LED displays in the world. So we are the manufacturer behind the panels, and we're doing things like that. This is called a receiver card, and it makes LED looking incredibly good.
So you put one of these in each LED box?
In each of the LED cabinets, you will have a receiver card, and the receiver card makes real-time calculation to create video and make PWM data for to drive the LEDs.
So you have to have a kind of like magic how the boards talk together, collaborate to get the best performance.
It's our own protocol. It's called the Tessera protocol. So we have a video processor that takes a video signal and converts that into the Tessera protocol. And this is a video processor and protocol.
Is this a new generation?
This is our new generation, yeah. Generation 3 is going to be the future of LED processing. So this will do 8K 60 uncompressed video on the input on IPMX, SMPTE 2110 or 4x 4K uncompressed. And there's a lot of data which being transferred in real time to the LED displays.
And on the back here, there's all the connectors.
On the back we have 2x 100 gigabit input, IPMX or SMPTE 2110. We have 2x 100 gig output for redundancy. We have a lot more 100 gig outputs for future applications. And we have 4 baseband inputs, every input capable of 8K 60.
What do you mean more 100 gig for future? Could be like more processors inside, or this one could support even more?
Could probably, we're not sure yet. There will be applications for it in the future. Well, yeah, and this processor can run about 288 1 gigabit ports for LED. That means can run about 36 million pixel, 60 frames, 12-bit.
You say
uncompressed.
236
million pixel on 12-bit uncompressed video input. This is what a processor can run.
At 60 frames?
At 60 frames per second, yes. It can do up to 250 frames on the input. It can run panels which run up to 1,000 frames with our G1 receiver card. What we see here is standard 60 frames, nice premium digital signage situation, and well, yeah, future of LED processing is here now.
What are you showing on this screen over there?
Over there we're showing a comparison between HDR and SDR. So normally you would say the SDR that looks pretty good already, but it's actually not, because if you look at the details, look at the mid-ranges, you don't have so much color saturation, especially in the lights. You have much more brighter definition in lights. You get much more brightness out of the LED, and at the same time you're displaying a lot of stuff in the dark area. So
more brightness, more darkness.
More brightness and more definition and darkness, and this is what you get with our processing system. So yeah, that's Brompton Technology.
So you don't get all the, what do you call it, the noise?
The noise will be amplified by SDR because the curve goes in a different way. If you run this content, it's PQ content, so you have much more definition in the lower end, and it goes much higher.
And what's happening there?
This is our software. We're just showing you software. We have a few features. I mean, this is just like a tech demo. Everything we do on the tech demo, we basically run on our Stream Deck. So we have a new function called dark time insertion. This is made for ultra high-speed screens. So it's inserting dark time, giving you less motion blur to be used in racing simulation. Probably difficult to catch on a camera, but it's definitely good to catch on your eye.
People can imagine.
Application for simulation, for branding recognition, for motion control. And then we go back to the HDR SDR comparison.
Nice. So what kind of discussions you had to hear the ISE 2025?
Too many. Most discussions were about our new generation of processing, which is scalable in all ways. So we will enter a lot of more markets with it. So we can be able to enter rental staging, virtual production, broadcast, and at the same time also high-end installations like simulation, like boardrooms, corporate stuff, and a lot of conversations were about that. New processors coming.
Is it possible to say who's the leader, the market leader, or are you in the top three, or how does it work?
Market leader on LED processing is no doubtly Brompton Technology.
Market leader.
The market leader, the technical market leader. And then there's
All right.
many others, yes.
All right. And where is the headquarters?
Oh, Brompton Technology is headquarters is in London, in UK. So we produce in London, we are developing in London, and we have the majority of the team sits there, and from London we are.
And some of the
spread out
guys here at the booth are doing technical stuff?
Well, we have technical managers here, we have a support team here. Myself, I'm a technical manager for the DACH region, so I have a technical background like everybody in the company. So all the difficult questions you have, just come to us and we can answer.